Imagine you're having a conversation with a friend and suddenly an idea hits you and you are like, I'll remember this later. But once the conversation is done, you are trying to recapture the idea, but it is gone. It is like it never existed at all. This sounds familiar, right? I have also been there. But what if I told you there's a way to fix that? In Tiago Forte's book, Building a Second Brain, capture is the first step in the code framework. This is about capturing your idea. It is about ensuring that no idea, no task, no insight slips through the crack. I have created a video on the code framework. You can watch that here. But today, I'll be showing you how to master the art of capturing, how to ensure that you don't miss anything. So let's go. If you are new to this channel, well, who am I kidding? Everybody is new to this channel. My name is Moyo Salau. I am a learning experience designer with years of experience in helping organizations improve the way people learn. On this channel, I bring the same passion of simplifying and improving learning to you. We dive into everything productivity, strategies, and tools that will help you improve yourself. If that sounds like a good idea, then hit the subscribe button and turn on notification for more videos. Capture is about freeing your mind. Tiago Forte in his book emphasizes that the brain is for thinking, solving problems, decision making, but it is terrible at remembering stuff. So essentially, your brain is to think, but not primarily for remembering everything. When you capture an idea, you are not just storing information, you are setting it aside so that you can access it later. It's like clearing your mind so that it can focus on things that really matter at the moment. Let me tell you a personal story. For months, I've been struggling with remembering ideas for my videos. Sometimes I jot them down on notepad, sticky notes, and they always get missing. One day I found a notepad that contained several ideas I'd totally forgotten about. Then it struck me that yes, I needed to capture better and I needed a good system. Think of capture as the foundation for personal productivity. Every task, idea, insight needs to be stored somewhere where you can access them. Now that we understand why it is important to capture ideas, let's take a look at tools. The truth is there is no one size fits all for the solution. The best tool is the one you're comfortable with and the one that works for you. But here are a few that I use often. Apple Note. This is actually one of the easiest tools to use to capture ideas, and if you're in the Apple ecosystem, then it is a no-brainer for you. On Apple Notes, you can easily jot your ideas down. The notes are organized in folders with tags. You can add photos, sketch. You can also scan a page from a book you are reading, which makes it faster for you to capture the idea. Also, it is seamless across all devices, so you are never far away from your ideas. Audio recording. This is one of the fastest ways to capture idea, especially if you are not in a place where you can type. Mobile phones these days come with inbuilt audio apps that helps you transcribe your audio into text, which makes it even more easier. Imagine capturing your idea during a morning jog via audio recording, and you are able to review them later in text. Audio recording works perfectly, especially when you are in a brainstorming session. And that takes me to my personal favorite, Notion. If you have been following my videos, then you'll understand why. Notion has changed the way I capture my ideas, store them, and also how I access them easily. Notion is good for capturing quick ideas and also detailed form. It allows you to create templates, pages, database, and many more. It is quite robust. At the same time, it is very flexible. You can categorize your ideas in different formats, add tags, labels, so that they are easy to search. Notion also allows you to create project plan, daily routine, and track them seamlessly. To make it even more accessible, Notion is available on mobile, desktop, and web. Of course, your ideal tool might differ, but if you are looking for an all-in-one solution that is easy to use and powerful, then I'd suggest you use Notion. Capturing isn't just a tool, it's an habit. Let's take a look at a few tips that will help you capture better. Capture everything. In the book, Tiago Forte says, capture everything that resonates with you. It could be a quote from a book, a sign from a billboard, meeting takeaways, anything. Jot it down, take a picture, or record an audio. Don't overthink it, just capture it. Adding context to your note makes them easier to use later. Instead of writing meeting notes, try strategic meeting with creative team. Adding a sentence or two would help you understand why you have captured the idea and how you can use it later. And if you are capturing your idea by taking a picture of a quote in a book, then you can also add a few sentences just to highlight why you have captured this. Organizing your ideas with tags, labels, and categories would make it easily accessible, and this would make the process seamless. Using tags like to do, feature recording, personal, inspiration, boards would help you access them easily, and you would know what to do with what. Set aside time to review and process your ideas. This could be detailing missing information, rearranging, reorganizing, or just to ensure that you have all your information in the same place. Weekly review works wonders, and this is from experience. Now that you understand what capturing is, tools that would help you capture, and actionable tools that would help you capture better. Now let's talk about common mistakes that I made when capturing, and so that you can avoid them. Capturing irrelevant information. To start with, I was capturing everything, things that I needed, the ones that I didn't need, the ones that might not be useful later, and the ones that I didn't even use at all. But eventually I got to realize that I was keeping too much information that wasn't of use for me. So what you need to do is, before capturing, ask yourself, would I need this information later? Would this be important to me? And is this relevant enough for me to save it? Never reveal your ideas. Jotting an idea down in the shortest of form without enough details, thinking you will remember them later, but you don't because you did not review your idea. Going back to review your idea often will make them easily accessible for you and organized. Using too many tools is one of the biggest mistakes you can make when capturing your ideas. It helps you stay disorganized and you don't have easy access to your information. Sticking to one so that you are comfortable with and has all the features that help you capture better would be the best decision. An example would be Notion, where you can write notes, quick information, detailed information, take pictures, and also create board tables for your ideas. These are some instances where capturing works perfectly. During a meeting, you jot down the key points and label them appropriately. Later, you are able to review these notes and add more details because you have captured them. You are reading a book and there's a quote that resonates with you. You highlight it, and then later you are able to add it in Notion in the tag productivity. Another recording at a seminar would be a perfect fit if you want to capture ideas from the presentation and you want to be able to review them later, possibly in a transcribed script. Capturing would improve how you store, process, and manage the information as it has helped me. Think of it this way: every idea you save has the opportunity of growing into something, but if you don't save it, there are no chances. Capturing helps you boost creativity and also gives you a reservoir of ideas where you can pick from in the future. So guys, there you have it. If you have found value in today's video, remember to hit the subscribe button and turn on notification for more videos. Thank you. I'll see you on the next one.